Hi you guys, welcome to another pin unboxing on my channel. Today we're gonna hopefully complete this series of Star Wars. And you guys know I'm not a Star Wars fan, and this is the puzzle set. So I have the fursuit, Baby Yoda, and that gold guy. And then that one's really hard to see, but that's Darth Vader. And then it's pretty obvious who the rest of them are, if you guys are like a big Star Wars person. And I have 4 to open today, and yeah. So I guess I will start opening these. Alright, I think I'll open from the bottom here, because I don't want to ruin like the box like I did in my last video. Alright, come on. Oh well, I had to destroy it, unfortunately. And I don't like that. Oh, so this is super funny. And these don't come in blind bags, unfortunately, which sucks. So I got Darth Vader. It's kind of hard to see, but it's obvious who I have. So I have the first 3, and hopefully I get the other 3 after this. So this will be on my board. So what I'm doing is like I'm trying to complete like all the Loungefly sets, and then once I complete all my sets, then I'm gonna start trading the pins I don't like Star Wars and like Stitch and a couple of others. Alright, so let's see who's our next one. Oh, this one was easy to open. This one loved me, so let's hope for, we got our first double, unfortunately, but that's okay. So we're not gonna get the full set today, but we got the middle guy, that gold guy, I forget his name. Alright, and moving along. It's so difficult to open. I don't like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's hope for somebody on the bottom row. I would like someone on the bottom row, personally. I don't care who, as long as we get somebody. Okay, we got Princess Leia and RDD2, I believe, if I'm correct. So we got that. Awesome. And our final pin for this video and for today, for now, for this set, will be, if we could get it open. I hope it's Chewy or the other one I need. Oh, Chewy. Nice. Okay. So now we're just missing... I have 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm missing... Oh, the troopers. Like the stormtroopers. Alright, awesome. I'm just missing them. I'm just missing them. Yay. So I guess I didn't do too bad. Like, that's a good start, actually. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn that notification bell on when I post something, so you guys can get notified. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.